little explorers, and today we aren't staying on land. We are diving deep into the big blue ocean. Are you ready? Let's put on our diving gear. Check your oxygen tank. Now, let's go! We are inside our tiny submarine. Push the doors open with your elbows. Inhale deep to fill the tank with oxygen. Great job! Stretch your arms high like a giant wave. Lean to the left, lean to the right. The ocean is swaying back and forth. Look, a jellyfish. Sit low and wiggle your fingers like soft tentacles. 1, 2, 3, jiggle, jiggle. A shark is gliding by. Stay very still. Balance like a strong shark. You are so brave. Puff out your chest and make a fishy face. Blow some bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. Hello, Mr. Turtle. Tuck your head into your hard shell. Feel your back stretching. It's so cozy in here. Snap, snap, snap. Let's walk sideways like a crab on the sand. Lift your tummy high. Who is the fastest crab? The current is strong. Stay flat and strong like a shrimp swimming upstream. Don't let your tummy touch the sand. Curl up small. You are a beautiful pearl sleeping inside a shell. Take a deep breath and feel the love. time to rest. Spread out like a lazy starfish. Feel the cool water washing over your skin. So peaceful. Our ocean adventure is over for today. Do you feel strong and happy? Don't forget to tell your parents to subscribe. Next video, we are flying into outer space. Goodbye and namaste.